Could you be healer to a heart that's been wounded in a battle that's never seen? Could you be teacher to a mind of confusion? Tell me, what does this all mean? Are you deliverer of imprisoned feeling and chains? Can you set my spirit free? And just one more question, allow me this question: could you be Messiah to me? Could you be Messiah to me? Could you be brother to a soul that's been abandoned by a world too busy to hear? Could you be friend to a helpless survivor? Can you take away my fears? I heard them all sharing this newfound conviction in them. Are you